Welcome to the Totally Design channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you simply just want to come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button and you'll be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now let's get into this video. Hey YouTube family, it's Casey from Totally Designs, and I'm here working on a project right now, and I thought to myself, I wonder if you all know why you choose the wire that you choose, or how to choose wire for whatever project you're working on. And I choose my wire based upon the type of product I'm making. Like, for example, right now I'm making this gaudy necklace. Okay, it's a pearl necklace that I'm working on. And so I decided to use the 16 gauge for this particular project, only because I love the way it makes my necklace look. It makes it look gaudy and it makes it look fuller. Now, there are times I will use an 18 gauge, and that's mostly like when I'm wrapping stones, because it is easier for me to wrap the stone with the 18 gauge versus the 16 gauge. The 16 gauge takes a little bit more power and it takes a little bit longer to wrap that. Now, depending again upon the stone. So if I was using this particular stone right here, this is a 38 millimeter stone, right? So I would not take the 16 gauge to wrap this, only because it's not going to give me the leverage that I want. It's not even going to create the design I want. With the 18 gauge, I can wrap it, do some other things, and continue to wrap it over and over and over. Whereas with this one, I would use this to create a brio wrap. And what I mean by that is, if you have a big stone that does not have a hole in it, okay, this one does have a hole in it. But if you wanted to create a casing around the stone, you would use this, and you would use this with 2 pieces of the wire along with a smaller gauge wire. And in that instant, I would implement the 20 gauge, because the 20 gauge is like a binder. It binds the 2 bigger wires together, and it makes a great frame, if you will. All right, so maybe I'll come back on and show you exactly what I'm talking about, but that's how I choose my wire. I choose it based upon the project that I'm doing. If I want long lasting, like this one, I want this to be long lasting, right? So I am using the 16 gauge. I hope that this helps a little bit on how you figure out how to choose the wire that you're working with. And ultimately, guys, it really is your preference of the wire that you want based upon the project. Now, I know if you make wire wrap rings, some people use the 20 gauge all the time. Me, I use all of them. I love to use the 16 gauge. I also like to work with the 14. The 14 is a little bit more harder to work with, because like I said, it doesn't have, it's not flexible as the 16 or as the 18. All right. So guys, thank you for watching my video. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers, and I want to say thank you to my writers who continuously show up and support this channel. All right, guys, this is what I'm working on. Maybe I'll take a picture and do like a short to show you what my finished product look like. All right, until the next video, have a good one.